Hi beauties, welcome back again to my channel. So if you are new here, my name is Chini. Thank you for tuning in for today. So in this video I want to share with you guys how to edit your Instagram makeup using iMovie. Okay, so if you want to see that, then keep watching. So previously I did a video about how to edit your Instagram makeup in CapCut, how to edit your Instagram makeup in InShot, and also how to edit your Instagram makeup in VideoLib. So in this video is gonna be about how to edit your Instagram makeup in iMovie. Of course, you guys know iMovie is for beginners, and in this video I'm gonna share with you guys how you can bring those transactions into existence and how to make that makeup, that dull makeup, looking snatched, like being entertaining. Okay, so make sure you stay tuned and keep watching.
So I'm going to start by clicking the iMovie app. Then the next one I'm going to do again is to select the clips that I want to import into my timeline. Then after selecting all of that, then I click create movie. So when you click create movie, the next thing that you're going to do, start selecting the the interesting places that I really want to cut out and the places that I really want to show. So I'm going to start by showing you guys that, oh hi guys, welcome, do kind of shakara level and all of that. Then I'll start showing where I started doing the application and all of that. So when you want to cut, you just cut, click the scissors, or you can as well click the video and everything will cut just like that. It's very easy. Okay, so you guys, if you're hearing any noise, please pardon. My house is close to the road, and as well my kids are at home, so you might be hearing some kind of noises, so please pardon that. So the next thing I'm going to do again is to put my Johnson powder, and that can actually help me to absorb all the oils on my face. So I go ahead by applying all of that, make sure that I applied it smoothly and very well. Then after that I go ahead with my foundation, and I try to use this method, okay, this method of setting powder or normal powder or setting powder, anyone, before the foundation. So I'm going to select the way I'm showing you guys the foundation and all of that. Then after that I start clicking the rest of the thing, so just continue watching to see exactly what I'm doing.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch you.
iMovie is actually the best editing app that even a non-educated person can use, and it's really nice because it's very easy to understand. It's very easy to operate with. So as soon as I'm done selecting the interesting part of the beauty of the or of the look or of the makeup, then I go ahead, like, to select, those. After watching a makeup person, they will start showing you all the different styles you need to see in that particular video, like the finished look. Okay, so that's basically what I'm doing. I'm just showing you guys the finished look in this video. Okay, so I'm trying to select the most attracting parts, or like the most beautiful part or the most beautiful style that I stayed. So that's basically what I'm trying to select. Okay, so that people will be like, wow, this is so beautiful, and of course it's beautiful. So after I'm done selecting all those interesting parts, then I'll go ahead and make sure that there is no longer clip, like all the clips are equal and they are beautiful as well. So that's basically it. I try to make sure that those parts are great, and yeah, those places that I distracted myself in what I'm doing, so I go ahead, remove those parts and put the most interesting parts. So the funny part is that there is no way you can set it to the size of whatever you want to do, okay, like the application you are posting it for. So as soon as I'm done, I go ahead and see if I can deal with the transition. As you guys can see right there, the transitions are moved because the sizes of the clip that I did. So I'm gonna play it for you guys to see how it looks like right now.
I pray for my homies out there. Please God, give them strength. Please God. I pray. Please God.
So as I've tried and played the video for you guys, and everything is actually working perfectly well. So and I think the transitions, they are okay. Okay, they are okay, but they are still moved, as you guys can see right here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to try again to see if I can put transition. If I can't, then I'll go ahead to export the video. So I'm going to click the done button. So when I click the done button, then I'll click the share arrow, and it will take me to my save a video. Then I'll start exporting it. Then as soon as I'm done exporting it, then I can now upload it in any of my social media handle, and that can I'll set the format that I really want to use.
And here you are. That's all I do to edit my Instagram makeup in iMovie. So if you really enjoy it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe in the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you all in my next video. Remain blessed and have a fantastic day. Bye.